In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your PDF pages completely free using JOPDF, which is an open source PDF editor that's completely free and accessible free of charge. You can just go to jopdf.com to have access to it. You can download it and install on your PC, and it's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. I have downloaded mine. So let's say I open this PDF and I have these pages and I want to rearrange the page or organize the pages of this particular assignment or document that I have. So all I need is to come to page over here, and you can see it has split everything, and you can go ahead and insert a new page. If you have any page that you want to insert, you can see you have inserted it. And if you want to rearrange, maybe you want to have an empty page before the cover page or the first page, you can just drag and move, and you can see right now. Or you want to move this to this page, you can see, or to this position. With just that simple drag, you can see you can rearrange your page. Or if you have the need to crop a page, you can also crop the page in here, or you can resize it or reverse the pages, or you can merge two pages if you are interested, or you can split a page. You can do that as well, or you can rotate a given page that you have selected in here. Okay, and alternatively, when you hover over a page, you can also download that page, or you can delete it if you don't want it in the category. And once you are okay with all of this, your arrangement, and you are okay with what you have, you can just go ahead and click on save in here to be able to save what you have created. Okay, and you can easily have it on that particular document effected. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.